So Caroline has her first ever shortcake in the oven.
Yay!
So while it's baking and rising and getting golden and delicious, we are going to make homemade whipped cream.
And my mouth is going to continue to water.
Okay, Caroline, have you ever made homemade whipped cream before?
Never one time, no.
Do you feel like it's going to be easy?
Feeling you're gonna help me with it, so so it might be a little bit easy.
Would you believe that whipped cream is only 3 ingredients? 3 ingredients. It's so quick and easy. We're gonna make homemade whipped cream.
You could also do the shaky can, and then you can just
No, when you've had the real deal, you can't go back to the shaky can.
Well, let's give it a try.